This is a brief video on how to set up the INTEX ZR100 and ZR200 handheld vacuum. Plug the charging cable into the electrical outlet. Open the charging port cover. Plug in the other end of the charging cable. The lights will turn green when fully charged. Insert the filter bag with gasket into vacuum body. For vacuuming fine small particles, insert the micro filter bag into the filter bag with gasket and wrap it over the gasket. Install the cover onto the body. The vacuum comes with two cleaning head accessories: the brush head and nozzle. Align the arrow on head accessory to arrow on the cover. Attach the head accessory to the cover. Attach the aluminum pole by squeezing spring buttons and inserting the handle into vacuum body. Adjust the length of the shaft by unlocking, extending, and locking each section. Press the power button and the battery indicator light will turn on. Place the vacuum into the water. Sweep the surface of the pool or spa to remove the debris. After each use, remove the cover from the body by pressing the spring button to release. Check and empty the filter bag after each use. Recharge the battery for the next use. Before getting into the pool, please go through the pool safety checklist.